If you have insomnia, this video is gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna give you my special recipe, a special tea that will calm your nervous system and give you good night restful sleep. At the end of the show, I'm gonna recommend you my next video that is gonna be very important information how you're gonna resolve your insomnia in natural way. This tea is called Valerian Root Nighttime Tea. Intended use. Valerian root tea is known for the sedative qualities, making it an excellent choice for reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry valerian root, 1 cup boiling water, honey or lemon to taste, optional. Preparation: steep valerian root in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add honey or lemon if desired. How to use: drink a cup of valerian root tea 30 minutes before the bedtime to ease anxiety and improve sleep quality. Right now, you go on the internet healthy store or healthy store next to you, buy good high quality valerian root tea. Make this tea 30 minutes before the sleep. It's gonna help you in unbelievably easy way, and what is most important, in natural way with any kind of side effects. If you want to find out a very perfect video that can help you with many other advices how you can resolve insomnia in natural way, click on the video right here. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.